What are they? How are they created? What type of damage can they cause? Are there any solutions to them now? What can we do to find solutions for them? Well, let's start with how sinkholes are created. I'm just going to say now, I'm using lime rock as my rock example. There are many more rocks, but we were working with lime rock. Sinkholes are created when there's a large amount or a small amount of lime rock underneath the ground, and there's a groundwater flow that flows over it, slowly eating away and eroding at it, making it to where there's practically nothing left because of the chemical reaction between the lime rock and the water. Finally, it leaves a cavern after it eats away all the lime rock. The cavern gets to the point to where it can no longer hold the amount of dirt, rock, soil, and all other things on top of it. And finally, it collapses, creating a sinkhole. What type of destruction can this cause? The collapsing, the sinkhole, the big hole in the middle of the ground. You think, oh, it's a hole. You can see it, you walk around it or whatever, but the thing is, we don't know when they happen. You can be driving down the road one day, all happy, just driving, singing to your favorite song, and then all of a sudden, you fall headfirst into a sinkhole because right in front of you, the ground just collapses and you're in a sinkhole. Your song might still be playing, but your life could very well not be. Sinkholes are very, very, very serious. And the fact is, people don't realize how serious they are, and that's why there aren't many solutions to them. We can't detect a sinkhole, we can't figure out where they are, but that's why me and my group have figured out this thing called the BALDGA. This stands for something that will be explained in the commercial at the end of the video. What it does basically is it sends out radar, like little signals down to the ground, and if there's a hollow empty space, it will hit the bottom of the empty space and shoot them back up, which is explaining how big the sinkhole is, where it is, where we should build land, and where we shouldn't. And no, I'm not the only person who made this video. We had Matt and Kat, who wrote the script, and Matt did the voiceover for our wonderful commercial that will be played at the end of this video. And then we had Emily Bryson, who helped with video ideas and helped make the idea of what our invention will be, also helped with illustrations. And then there's me, I am simply the person standing on the chair talking to you. But this is why we need to have more focus on sinkholes. They are a lot bigger than most people think. Thank you.
Hello viewer, how are you? Fantastic? Fantastic. Look up, back down. Where are we? We're in the middle of this being sucked up into a sinkhole. Look back up, back down again. I guess you cannot see from all this blackness, but we're in a sinkhole. A cave with water that eats out the surface until it collapses. It's too dark in here. Let us get down. What's in my hand? It's a box of your beloved things. Even that one picture you didn't like. Look again. The box has turned into a hamster cage with an opossum inside. The opossum is important. Look again. The box is now replaced with another box, one covered in holes, called Bundle. With Bundle, you can be better protected from sinkholes. With the ability to sense holes in the ground, you can get far away from them, staying safe. Anything is possible when you're not in a hole. I want a plane.